Okay, so the next thing that I want us to do is actually create something from some real data.
Yes.
From the internet.
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah. Very nice.
So you are going to be getting some data from an API. You know what an API is?
Yes.
What is an API?
It's a thing. It's a thing you get from the internet.
Yes, you get some
Yes.
data
Yes.
from the internet.
Yes.
Alright?
Yes.
And then you display it in some nicer manner because as a mobile developer we are front-end engineers.
Yes.
This is a very nice package.
Yes.
And then
very nice. Catto Facto!
yes, that's true. One of my favorite APIs is this. This is a cat facts API. And you see that it's got all of this data and it's got some text about cats. So
Yes.
and it's an array, so it's like
Yes.
100 or maybe 200 cat facts, right?
Yes.
Now we're gonna need to look at this.
Yes.
Fetch data from the internet.
Yes.
So in the first video you even said that you don't like RxJava, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, here we're not actually going to use RxJava, we're just going to use built-in features in Dart called futures. And a future allows you to get something from the future.
Oh no.
So it is a class that in by itself doesn't do anything, but when you execute it, it will get some data which takes some time.
It knows the future.
It knows the future, right? Let's make a new Flutter project.
Catto Facto Apple.
And let's call it, cat facts. Once it creates our project, we're gonna add a dependency in there. Then we can get some data from the internet. So let's read on it a little bit. You are going to need to create an asynchronous, see this keyword? It's an asynchronous method, meaning that it's gonna execute, but it's gonna take some time. So when you say this async up here, it's telling the compiler that this is a method that is going to be run asynchronously.
So in the background at the same time.
Pretty much, yeah. And then inside of it there is this first line, right? That has this keyword await here.
Mm-hmm.
The await tells the compiler that this is the long going operation.
Okay.
It is going to be getting this data from this URL, and then if the response comes back, only then is this code run. And once it's run, then do you know what 200 means?
It means that it's okay.
It's a successful request,
Yes.
yeah. And then you return it as an album. So pretty much once you return it, then this part here gets some data, and then you can do whatever you want with that data. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
Now this is pretty much it. I'm actually thinking that I'm not going to do a project for this. You are actually going to be doing it. So I want you to take this example, right?
Mm-mm.
And I want you to get some data from the internet.
Mm-mm. I can do it at home, but not.
Oh, yeah.
Not here.
You sure you don't want to try?
No.
I will edit this and make it look like you did it in seconds.
Oh, I don't have a week here to spend.
10 seconds later.
Nothing is happening.
It's taking a long time.
No, it's already loaded, but there are no cat facts.
It's gonna take another 2 days.
No, I want the cat of facts.
Let's see what's going on.
1 eternity later.
Okay, so now we have some data and you used it here to show this text view. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
We've done that.
Mm-hmm.
Now we get to your home assignment.
Mm-hmm.
I want you
To make a button.
No, I don't care about buttons.
I want to make a button.
Nope. I want you to take this list that you get from here. You see, here we're using data.first. I want you to remove this first and make the whole list appear here.
Definitely not.
I'm so happy that I have
Such a good student.
yeah, so positive.
Yes, always ready to do all the assignments as
Yeah.
fast as possible.
You are going to be creating that list And it's not that hard. I'm pretty sure that if we found a tutorial that looks like this, then we can definitely look around in this cookbook a little bit more, and you can find something that will convert that one text view into a whole list of things to show.
Yeah, this time I'll going to ask for a help or your help. I think
So-
I'm not sure I'm going to do it alone.
2 days later.
I finished my exercise that you gave me 2 days ago. It took me 2 days to finish. It was very hard.
Faster than I expected.
So yeah, and it still doesn't work as intended, but it works.
So let's see, pull requests. Won't work when first started, but after that works fine. Don't know what's wrong, smiley face. I think he did everything that we need him to do. Teachings are good. Oh, see, this is quality code right there.
Yes,
You.
2 days of epic hacking.
This is exactly what shows a real senior developer. Like
Deleted something and I added something.
yeah, and you added like only 6 lines, and the whole application is done.
Yeah.
If this code doesn't work, you sell your car for 100 euros. So, still building. Oh,
What?
there we go.
Why does it work here and not on Android?
So here we go.
Like,
This is what Kaupo made.
yes,
Works
like I
pretty good.
said, it works every time.
Looks pretty good to me. What's this? Did you do this one?
No, we did it together last time.
I don't remember.
Oh my god.
I thought that you were the one who did it.
No,
I was gonna
make a hard restart and
I was
then you
gonna
can see
say-
the loading.
I was gonna say that this,
pinging.
I'm very impressed by this, but right now I'm very sad that it wasn't you.
Actually, I did it, yeah. I did it.
Oh,
myself.
okay. Nice job.
Yeah.
Nice, very nice job.
So I can keep my car, yes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
We have a new cat.
This is our apprentice. Alex's apprentice.
Nice long neck for when you don't know what to do during programming. You can just strangle this.
Yes, yes.